Hearing loss and balance disorders caused by genetic mutations have long posed a daunting challenge, until now. Researchers at Tel Aviv University, in collaboration with leading experts from Boston Children's Hospital and Harvard Medical School, have made a groundbreaking leap in gene therapy that could transform the way we treat inner ear dysfunction. But here's where it gets controversial. Their approach not only preserves hearing, but also maintains balance, tackling two critical sensory systems simultaneously, a feat rarely achieved before. This innovative therapy zeroes in on mutations in the CLIC5 gene, a crucial player responsible for the stability of hair cells in the inner ear. These hair cells are tiny but mighty. They detect sound and help us keep our balance. When CLIC5 malfunctions, these cells deteriorate over time, leading to progressive hearing loss and balance problems. The new treatment uses a specially engineered viral vector called self-complementary adeno-associated virus, scAAV, which delivers the healthy gene more efficiently than traditional methods. Remarkably, this means lower doses are needed to achieve better results, reducing potential side effects and improving safety. The team, led by Professor Karen Avraham, Dean of the Gray Faculty of Medical Health Sciences at Tel Aviv University, and PhD student Roni Hahn, worked closely with Professor Jeffrey Holt and Dr. Gwenaël Geliok. Their study, supported by prestigious organizations including the U.S.-Israel Binational Science Foundation, the National Institutes of Health, and the Israel Science Foundation Breakthrough Research Program, was even featured on the cover of EMBO Molecular Medicine. Professor Avraham explains the complexity of the inner ear. It's made up of two finely tuned systems, the auditory system, which processes sound, and the vestibular system, which controls balance and spatial orientation. Genetic mutations can disrupt these systems, causing sensory neural hearing loss and balance disorders. Since over half of congenital hearing loss cases stem from genetic causes, finding an effective gene therapy is critical. Roni Hahn adds context for those new to gene therapy. This field has rapidly advanced, offering hope for many genetic diseases like spinal muscular atrophy and Leber congenital amaurosis. The principle involves using viral vectors, viruses modified to be safe, to deliver correct copies of faulty genes into cells. Adeno-associated viruses, AAVs, are popular vectors because they're efficient and less likely to cause immune reactions. In fact, AAV-based gene therapies for hearing loss are already in clinical trials, with encouraging early outcomes. Focusing on the CLIV5 gene mutation, the researchers employed the scAAV vector, which is structurally optimized to enter hair cells faster and more effectively than standard AAVs. This means the therapeutic gene reaches its target quicker, halting the degeneration of hair cells before irreversible damage occurs. In animal models, this approach successfully preserved both hearing and balance functions, a dual benefit that could revolutionize treatment for patients suffering from similar genetic conditions. Professor Avraham sums it up. Our study introduces a novel gene therapy strategy that not only enhances treatment efficiency, but also addresses the combined challenges of hearing and balance impairments. We believe this paves the way for broader applications, potentially benefiting many individuals affected by genetic hearing disorders. But here's the part most people miss. While this therapy shows immense promise, it also raises important questions about accessibility, long-term effects, and whether similar strategies can be adapted for other complex sensory disorders. Could this be the dawn of a new era in personalized medicine for sensory impairments? Or are there hidden hurdles yet to be uncovered? What do you think? Are gene therapies like this the future of treating genetic hearing loss? Or should we be cautious about the challenges ahead? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below. Featured image, left to right, Roni Hahn and Professor Karen Avraham. Photo credit, Tel Aviv University.